All right. What's going on, y'all? Sean, the Math Swap Tutoring here with another SAT type math problem. Take a second to read it. Pause the video if you need to. See if you can figure it out on your own, and then we will go through it together. All right. So let's read the problem together. It says a bag of frozen fruit contains three different kinds of berries: blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries. A sample size of 1 cup was taken, and it included approximately 10 blueberries, of which 30% weighed more than 1 gram. 30%, that gets us 3 blueberries. Which conclusion is best supported by the sample data? A, the majority of the berries in the bag weigh more than 1 gram each. B, the average weight of all berries in the bag is approximately 1 gram. C, approximately 30% of all the berries weigh over 1 gram. D, approximately 30% of all blueberries in the bag weigh more than 1 gram. All right, so one of the main things to understand here is there's a bit of data in here, um, but all of it is not really necessary for you to answer this problem. Okay, so they want us to basically look at these answer choices and see which one makes sense. Let's kind of quickly go back through them and rule out the ones that don't make sense. Okay, so A says the majority of the berries in the bag weigh more than 1 gram each. There's no way we can make a conclusion about most of the berries in the bag. We took a sample size that had all the three kinds of berries, but then we saw something with some of the blueberries. So we can't conclude this at all. B, the average weight of all berries in the bag is approximately 1 gram. Absolutely can't make any sort of statement like that. We'll just cross that out without even talking about it because it just we can't make any conclusion about all the weight of all the berries. C, approximately 30% of all the berries weigh over 1 gram. We don't know. We know that 30% of the blueberries in that cup um, weigh more than 1 gram. So we can't conclude that either, which leaves D. Approximately 30% of all blueberries in the bag weigh more than 1 gram. So we had a sample size that we just randomly scooped out, and it had 10 blueberries, 30% of which weighed more than 1 gram. That's the one that we can most likely conclude out of all four of these that maybe 30% of the blueberries in the whole bag weigh more than 1 gram. Okay. Let me know if you got this. Make sure you share with a friend, like and subscribe, and have a good one. Hey, thank you for watching this video. If you need math tutoring or you need SAT math help, look in the description to find out how you can sign up today. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you stay in touch with Math Swap Tutoring on YouTube. Have a good one.